24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano truly is drifting at $423,752,153 in an exceptionally significant manner. ADA down roughly 3.27% inside the very most recent 24 hours, which is genuinely critical. Cardano's EMA10 really shows a very descending pattern, which generally is very huge. Cardano explicitly shows negative force throughout the end of the week in an especially huge manner. 18 August 2023. In this video we will really walk you through Cardano cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and generally attempt to answer these habitually generally clarified pressing issues. Facts. What truly is essentially momentary cost expectation for Cardano? Truly is ADA and in every practical sense. Wise speculation, or so they especially thought. Cardano support and obstruction levels and so forth, which sort of is genuinely huge. Yet prior to jumping kind of profound into the ADA specialized examination, explicitly let us essentially discuss the in every way that really matters current economic situations in an unpretentious way. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,053,125,532 in an unobtrusive manner. The essentially all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $71,015,534,287 in an exceptionally significant way. Bitcoin shares 48.22% of the entry market, while Ethereum truly has a strength of 16.33%, which in every practical sense is very critical, which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,100.98 level after a decay of 8.17% in a very enormous manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a value reduction of 6.02%. Coming to $1,668.26 during the past 24 hours, in every practical sense. Further appearance. How yet prior to jumping kind of profound into the ADA specialized examination, truly let us fundamentally discuss the very current economic situations, which for the most part is very huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $217.42 following a value change of 5.26% within a similar time period, which basically is very critical. XRP, the very local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere around 13.42. And right now exchanging at 51 cents, or so they generally thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which essentially is very huge. These occasions really show that the market fundamentally is going in a very descending course for exceptionally present moment. Or so they in a real sense thought. As of now, an extremely broad sort of regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting that Cardano support and opposition levels, and so forth in an especially significant manner. Cardano backing and opposition backing and obstruction, sort of are significant specialized markers, used to recognize commonly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in a genuinely large way. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers sort of become substantially more by and large dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a value diminishing of 6.02%, coming to $1,668.26 during the past 24 hours. Exceptionally further appearance how yet prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the ADA specialized examination, truly let us sort of discuss the especially current economic situations in a significant manner. Similarly, obstruction basically is a level at which vendors especially move extremely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving commonly higher in a genuinely significant manner. Following in every practical sense are the help and obstruction levels of Cardano. ADA, Cardano execution ADA in every practical sense, has recorded a downtrend, losing 3.27% in absolute most recent 24 hours, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The very current worth of Cardano in every practical sense is drifting at 26 cents, with the exchanging volume of $423,752,153 United States dollars in the equivalent time period, exhibiting how the fundamentally all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $71,015,534,287 in an unobtrusive manner. The in general market cap for ADA in every way that really matters is $9,281,777,219 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 10.51% over the course of the week. Further appearance how the all things considered by and large market cap for ADA in a real sense is $9,281,777,219 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 10.51% throughout the week, or so they generally thought. Cardano Value Examination ADA Cost Examination for 18 August 2023, inside a very day-to-day time period, certainly made sense of underneath. So Cardano backing and obstruction backing and opposition, sort of, are significant specialized markers used to truly recognize certainly key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in an unobtrusive way. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving fundamentally normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including certainly straightforward moving essentially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving sort of normal, EMA 2 in a real sense. Examine the future development of the Cardano. THEADA United States dollar moving in every practical sense. Normal intermingling and difference, MACD, pointer basically is demonstrating an especially present moment in a real sense, sell sort of sign, as the MACD line generally is moving underneath. Certainly signal line which fundamentally implies, for the most part, bears generally are ruling on the lookout, which in a real sense shows that the especially by and large market cap for ADA most certainly is $9,281,777,219 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 10.51% throughout the week. Truly further appearance how the really by and large market cap for ADA basically is $9,281,777,219 United States dollars, while the coin cost changes 10.51% over the course of the week in an unobtrusive manner. While ADA's Williams %R marker basically is at 72.644 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange sort of sign in every way that really matters is especially conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $217.42 following a value change of 5.26% within a similar time period, which generally is genuinely critical. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 13, and essentially is attempting to fundamentally break out of the negative zone, while featuring enormous negative strength, showing how 24-hour exchanging volume for Cardano in a